Alright, I'm gonna be going over lab 6 for CS120B. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you my circuit right here. And I already have it running and everything. So I'm gonna just show you what it does. So I have the joystick over here, right? And right now the lights are off, right? Because it's just blinking every a second, but at a rate of 100 milliseconds, right? So if I want to go ahead and turn on the light, I just press the button, and I still have it hold it right now just to show you that the light turns on, but the timer has not started yet. But as soon as I let go of the button, the timer starts going. So it's gonna come down to 0, and when it gets to 0, the lights are gonna be off. So you could also do the same method just by moving the joystick around. Does the same thing, goes down to 0. Boom. And let me go ahead and show you that if you move it while it's counting down. All right, I got it the last second. It goes back to 9, right? So if I just keep moving it, it's gonna go down, or it's gonna go up back to 9. So there's that. And then what else? You can also just, so like for example, you turn on, right? And then you can just turn it off once again just by clicking it, right? So you don't have to wait for the timer. You could just manually do it. Okay, let me go over some questions. Synchronous state machine implementation. Well, I used hella counters for even the green lights to blink. I used counters for that, so that was my implementation of that. What difficulties did you have? Believe it or not, it was probably just this blinking, the green, or when it's off, right? The green has to blink at 100 milliseconds every second, right? At first I was confused on how to implement that, but I overcame that difficulty just by writing it down on a piece of paper. And so instead of just using 2 separate states, I just did 2 different if-else statements under one state, so I didn't have to use another state. That's what I did. And any feedback for this lab? I actually really liked it. It was probably like the most difficult for me, but I liked it because it was a combination of the previous 2 labs, which I liked. So it wasn't a lot of new code, but it was a lot of logic, which I liked. That's it.